This is the Amazon rainforest. It was home to many types of animals and various plants. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, also called the Earth's lungs. It was very beautiful. Until it wasn't.
The president of Brazil, Jair Bolsonaro, has banned setting fires to clear land for 60 days.
Bolsonaro is a climate change skeptic who believes the Amazon should be opened up for business. And he accused Brazil's president, Jair Bolsonaro, of lying when he promised to protect the rainforest.
Our world is dying. Our climates are changing. And we are doing nothing about it.
We can't stop burning because we need to produce enough to eat.
And our Pacific Islands are suffering because of this.
People in the South Pacific could become the world's first climate change refugees because of rising sea levels.
The ocean is gradually overtaking the land.
Their home islands could become uninhabitable, engulfed by the rising ocean.
Homes have been swept away by the rising seawater.
This is our home, and it is being destroyed. What will the future be like for more generations to come? Will they know how important our culture is as we do? All these questions and only one answer. We don't know.